Say goodbye to complex welding. The Fabricator changes everything. It's the easiest to use, most flexible automated welding machine designed for the steel fabrication industry. We've put 50 years of experience into this machine, resulting in the most autonomous welding system out there. It makes sure your production is first time right, fully automated. This is the loading table. It's where an operator will be loading plates and where the fabricator will scan them. The fabricator is equipped with a powerful laser line projector which scans more than 98 million accurate data points. It scans for plate thickness, inside contours, and outside contours, enabling you to use whatever plate part you want. Sometimes plate holes on one plate will not align perfectly with a plate hole on another plate. This is a walk in the park with the fabricator. It will automatically make sure your plate holes are always aligned within the margins you set. Besides, the fabricator will automatically calculate and generate weld paths and the overall weld sequence. And you're able to configure it to only fit your subassembly or to fit and fully weld it. Either way, the welding process will be as efficient as possible, and you will even be able to change anything you want at the machine.